curb and you'll see a fool like Master P. I'm a real G, that's guaranteed. Bitch a dope plus watch it bleed. Satisfaction, that's all I need. I'm an asshole, don't you love my greed? Pass the weed, head to the capital. Eyes red, something like an apple. When I load the clip, nigga, I'ma cap you. From the south side, nigga, watch the trap. It ain't big shot desire, a name of Z. I'ma catch your attitude instantly. Bitch, you flexing with me. The nigga that hit me in the jaw when the killer that he's supposed to be. I'm still here. Don't even try to talk down, never I get close to me. Cause you'll disappear. I'm about my money, power, and respect. And I want me twice. I keep it straight up. When I smoke, that ain't no better than to this man. Cause I mean what I said. I associate with my AK. Cause you don't smoke the truth. Never had a trust with you. Couldn't make out with dope. I don't complain, but if you do dope, you get the sound. Gon' hold it down. South gon' hold it down. South gon' hold it down. South gon' hold it down.
Check it on the south side, where them thugs hold it down. Money stretched like a rubber band, dope. I'm the youngster in the game, spend cash in their chain. They was talking down on me, now I'm getting candies clean. I got a chop on the shelf and I make 10 on the left. Now fuck a friend, I'm going beat to the end. They started out for me, but poor ass way in. They used to front and climb on me, used to talking down on me. Now they wanna give me dabs and hugs, but I despise homies. Now they wonder why my temper's similar to a G. Cause it seems like everybody wanna take my life from me. Man, got for one more chance.
Oh man, at least you brought on a trailer.
I'm affiliated forever, representing for the side. But I feel that we so with that,